Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is SAP ERP. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is SAP ERP? SAP ERP Enterprise Resource Planning is a comprehensive suite of integrated business software applications developed by SAP SE, a German multinational software corporation. SAP ERP is designed to help organizations manage their business processes and operations more effectively by providing a centralized platform for various functional areas. It covers a wide range of business functions and enables real-time data processing and analysis. Here's an overview of SAP ERP. Key features of SAP ERP. Number 1, modules. SAP ERP offers a wide array of modules that cover different aspects of business operations, including finance, supply chain management, human resources, sales and distribution, product procurement, and more. These modules are designed to work seamlessly together, enabling close functional data sharing and integration. Number 2, integration. One of the key strengths of SAP ERP is its ability to integrate various business processes within an organization. This integration improves data accuracy, reduces duplication, and enables real-time visibility into the entire business landscape. Number 3, centralized database. SAP ERP stores data in a centralized database, ensuring that all departments have access to the same consistent and up-to-date information. This supports informed decision-making and helps avoid discrepancies. Number 4, real-time reporting and analytics. SAP ERP provides robust reporting and analytics tools that allow users to generate a wide range of reports, dashboards, and analytics based on real-time data. This helps organizations monitor performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Number 5, customization. While SAP ERP provides standardized functionalities, it allows organizations to customize the system to meet specific business needs. Customization can involve configuring modules, workflows, and reports to align with an organization's unique requirements. 6, scalability. SAP ERP is designed to accommodate the growth of organizations, making it suitable for small, medium, and large enterprises. As businesses expand, they can scale up their SAP ERP solution to support additional processes and users. Number 7, industry-specific solutions. SAP offers industry-specific solutions and templates that cater to various industries such as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, utilities, and more. These solutions are designed to address specific industry challenges and requirements. Number 8, mobile access. SAP ERP can be accessed via web and mobile interfaces, allowing users to access data and perform tasks remotely. This supports collaboration and empowers employees to make decisions on the go. Number 9, cloud-based solutions. SAP offers cloud-based ERP solutions that provide the benefits of scalability, reduced infrastructure costs, and easier deployment. 10, support and community. SAP has a robust support ecosystem including documentation, training, online forums, and customer support to assist organizations during implementation and ongoing usage. Benefits of SAP ERP: improve operational efficiency by streamlining processes and reducing manual interventions. Enhance data accuracy and consistency through integrated data sharing. Better decision making with real-time insights into business performance. Enhance customer service by providing a unified view of customer interactions and preference. Cost savings through optimized inventory management, procurement, and resource allocation. compliance with industry regulations and standards through built-in features, supports for global operations with multi-language and multi-currency capabilities. SAP ERP had been widely adopted by organizations worldwide to manage their business operations efficiently, enhance collaboration, and gain a competitive edge. It continues to evolve with technological advancements and changing business needs. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is SAP ERP. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.